This is an update from NSCL alumna Barbara Jacak, recently named Distinguished Professor at SUNY Stony Brook.
My name is Barbara Jacak. I'm a professor at Stony Brook. I'm a professor of physics, and I do the nuclear physics of very hot and dense nuclear matter. So we're looking for what happens when the conditions are so hot and so dense that normal protons and neutrons no longer exist, and what we've really got are interactions between quarks and gluons. Becoming a distinguished professor, that's a recognition by the university of someone achieving national and international recognition and being relatively well known both nationally and internationally. I was surprised and pleased, of course, but I knew that there was some possibility because the department had asked me for curriculum vitae and some names of potential referees nationally and internationally. I'm very excited about the science that I'm doing. We've discovered recently that the quark-gluon plasma that everybody thinks existed about a microsecond after the Big Bang isn't an ideal gas, as many of us expected, but actually behaves more like a liquid. And that means that at the time that quarks and gluons combined in the early universe to make protons and neutrons, that there were some correlations among them. And there's not been a whole lot of work done yet on how that would affect what we might be seeing in the universe today, but those correlations, I would expect, would cause some fluctuations, perhaps where matter is in the universe today, and perhaps some fluctuations that are now hidden in the dark matter. So there's a potential effect on today's universe from the fact that this hot, dense matter that we're studying at RIC is a liquid and correlated rather than a free gas of quarks and gluons that aren't interacting much with each other.
NSCL is a world-leading laboratory for rare isotope research and nuclear science education. Operation of NSCL as a national user facility is supported by the Experimental Nuclear Physics Program of the National Science Foundation.